Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you that iPads officially got the WhatsApp application. Now you can download the WhatsApp app direct from the App Store without any modifications, and how you can use it I'm going to show you in this video. So please ignore this glare of that ring light. Anyhow, so let's start. So first of all, jump to the App Store, connect your iPhone or iPad with the network and search for WhatsApp. So you guys can see here I think there is no WhatsApp business here, but let me search if we have any. So yeah, we don't have any WhatsApp business. We do, I think, but it says not compatible, or we need to update our iPad. So we have both WhatsApp Messenger and WhatsApp Business, so we can update or install the both applications in our iPads. And how this works, let me open this app, as I have already opened this, and hit continue, and you guys can see here it just shows QR code. So what we're gonna do is open our WhatsApp in the iPhone, which we are using right now, and which our SIM card we verified our number with, right? So now click on the settings button and hit on linked device. Click on that and click on link device on this one, and now you are good to go. So click on link device and your iPhone will scan with Face ID. Hit on OK, and this WhatsApp, your iPhone will open the camera. You have to scan this QR code from the iPhone and you will be good to go. Now your iPhone will be synced with the iPad's WhatsApp, and your all the chats, your data will be in the iPhone in a moment now. So this is the really good thing, that iPads officially got the official WhatsApp application in there. And hit continue, and you can use your WhatsApp in the iPhone. You can make video calls, you can do audio calls, whatever you want to do in the iPad. So how's it? How do you like it? Let me show you the interface of the WhatsApp in the iPad. Even you clear it from the recents, you still have that thing. So you guys can see here, I can open any chat here. I can text someone, I can make video calls, I can make phone calls, I can send WhatsApp things, I can do whatever I want, right? So this is really good thing that iPads officially got the WhatsApp app, and now you can use this way. So let's say now you want to log out from this WhatsApp. So you can use two tricks. Either you can use your iPad to log out, or you can log out from your phone as well. So as you guys can see, it says iPad logged in my phone right there in the settings, and hit on link devices, and here you guys can see here iPad. I can just simply hit on log out, and even I can use this iPad to log out. So hit on plus icon, or where maybe in the settings here I can see here log out button is here right there. So I can hit log out and I'll be good to go after doing this. So that's the whole simple fix. Hope you guys find this trick helpful. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Thank you so much guys. Peace.